Okay, this is a die filer from a Hemingway kit. I didn't build this myself, but Gregory Gray did. The only thing I had to do was build the base plate to get it mounted on my Vevor lathe. This is how these are supposed to operate. I believe these are originally designed around the Myford 7 lathe, something with a 7-inch swing, which this one is. For some reason, Gregory put a pretty good balance weight on that flywheel. Probably for the saw portion. This comes also with a bow. You can put a saw blade in it or use it for larger files. Still have to build the rings that go in to the table for different size files. But it's working good.